Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this corporate flyer design in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our flyer design. First we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we'll set the size of the rectangle 8.5 by 11. Now we will drag this rectangle like this and right click to make a copy. Now we'll right click on this rectangle and we will select the option Convert to Curves. Now we'll select the shape tool. Now we will click on the line and then we will select the option Convert to Curves. Now we will drag the handles. We will make a wave shape. Now we will select this shape and we will fill black color in this shape and we will remove the outline. Now again we will make one more copy of this shape. Drag and right click. Then we will select the interactive fill tool from the toolbar and we will apply on this shape. Now we will set the colors. We will select the color with the color selector tool. Now we will select both shape and we will increase the size. Now we will adjust the size. Now we will select the rectangle and we will drag like this. Then we will right click to make a copy. Then we will right click and convert to curves. Now we'll select the shape tool and we will delete this node by double click. Then we will drag the nodes. Now we'll click on the line. Then we will select Convert to Curve. Now we will drag the handles. And we will make a shape like this. Now again we will adjust the shape. Now we'll select these shapes and we will adjust the size. Now again we will select the shape tool and we will adjust the nodes. Now we'll select this shape and we will drag like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will select the first shape and we will fill black color. Now we will select the front shape and then we will select the interactive fill tool and we will apply on the shape. Now we will set the colors. By double click we can add the color. We will make a silver gradient here. Now we will adjust the interactive fill tool. Now we'll select the rectangle and we will drag like this, and we will right click to make a copy. Now we'll go to the edit menu, then we will select copy properties from. Now we will tick on fill option, then OK. Then we will click on the silver gradient to copy properties. Now we will remove the outline. Now again we will drag this rectangle and we will right click to make a copy. Then we will fill black color in this rectangle. Now we'll select the shape and we will drag and right click to make a copy. Now we'll select the shape tool and we will select the bottom nodes and we will drag like this. Now I'll click on the line, then we will select convert to curve. Now we will drag the handle. Now we will delete this node by right click, or we can double click on the node to delete. Now we will drag the handles like this. Now I'll go to the edit menu and we will select the option copy properties from. Again we will copy the properties from the silver gradient. Now I'll place this shape like this. Now we'll select both the rectangles and we will adjust the size. Now we'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will set the equal size of the circle. Now we will drag the circle inside and we will right click to make a copy. Now I'll fill black color in the first circle. Then we will select the second circle and we will fill white color in the inner circle. Now we'll select both and we will right click, then group. Now we will adjust the size and we will place here. Now we'll place the logo here. We will make a simple logo. For example, we will select the polygon tool and we will draw a shape with the 6 points. Now I'll fill black color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select the text tool from the toolbar and we will keep the font Arial. Now we will change the color of the text. I will place the text on the polygon shape. Now we'll select both. Now again we will select the text tool and we will write the text. We will give a bold look to this text. Now we will adjust the size. Now we will select all and we will group. Now I will place the logo. We will adjust the size according to the space. Now we will import the images. Now we'll go to the file menu. We will click on the option import. Now we will select these two images and we will click on import. Now we will draw the images. Now we will select this image and we will place here. First we will adjust the size according to the space. Now we will right click on the image, then we will select option power clip inside. Now we will click on this white space where we want to place the image. Now I'll click on edit. Now we will adjust the image. Now I'll click on the option mirror horizontally to flip the image. Now we'll click on finish. Now we'll select these circles and we will right click, then we will click on ungroup. Now we will select this image. We will place this image in this white circle. Now we will adjust the size of this image according to the white circle. Now we'll right click, then we will select the option power clip inside. Now we will click on the white circle. Now we'll click on edit. Now we will adjust the image. Now I'll click on finish. Now we will select this shape and we will make one more copy of this shape. We will drag and right click and we will place here. Now we will select the circles and we will do shift page up. Now we will group the circles. Now we will adjust the shape. Now we will select the text tool from the toolbar. Now we will write the headline of our flyer. You can write here your business name. Now we will select the head and we will change the color of this text. Here you can write your slogan line. Now we will adjust the size and we will underline this text and we will give a bold look. Now we will copy the text to write a paragraph text. Now we'll select the text tool and we will make a selection to write a paragraph. Now we will paste text and we will select all the text. Then we will adjust the size. Now we will select the horizontal alignment, then we will select full justify. We will give a white color to this text. We will adjust the size of the paragraph. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we'll select this text and we will select center. Now I'll place this text here. Now we will edit the text. I will select this text and we will give a white color and we will give a bold look to this text. Now again we will select the text tool and we will write more text. Now we'll select the 2-point line tool from the toolbar and we will draw a straight line like this. Now we'll select the rectangle and the line and we will set the align. We will set the align center horizontally. Now we will make a copy of the paragraph text. Now we will adjust the size and we will place here. Now we will increase the height of the paragraph. Now we select both and we will set the align. First we will click on selected object, then we will align center horizontally. Now we will make a copy of this paragraph text. We will select and drag and right click. We will select both. Similarly we will set the align. Now we have this icons and the barcode. We will place all this. First we will write the business name here and we will place here and we will give a white color to this text and the bold look also. Now we will select this icon and we will place here. Now we will write the address here. I will just copy the text and paste. Now we will place these icons. Now we'll select the text tool and we will write the contact details. Now we will set the equal size to all the text. Now we will place this social media icons and the barcode. We will place here and we will give a white color. Now we will place barcode. We will decrease the size of the barcode and we will place here. Now here we will make a design with the circle. Now we'll give an equal size to the circle. Now we'll place this circle here and we will fill black color in this circle. Now we'll make a copy of the circle by drag and right click. Then we will decrease the size. Now again we will make one more copy and now we will give a white color. Similarly we will make 2 more copies and we will decrease the size. Now we'll select all the circles and we will adjust the size. Now we will select all the shapes one by one and we will remove the outline. So guys, our corporate flyer design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.